Good afternoon. So, got our framing for our covered deck going on, which looks great. The stonemasons are going to start because it's been so nice here. Everybody's pretty happy. Just keep going. We were doing backfill to just have it be stable over the winter so everybody can move around, but now we're going to pull some material back and get it prepped for the stone guys, so that's cool. So we're kind of taking advantage of the nice weather. But yeah, the timbers look good. A little windy up here. Kind of show you, we've been cutting in the slab for the new bathroom down here. Been cutting along the wall there and getting for our toilet and or getting everything cut for our toilet and our shower. We'll run over and hit this for the sink. Of course, we've got a thickened footing as a bearing wall condition, like right in here. So of course that was 12, 13 inches thick. So there was a little bit of a surprise there when we cut that open, but we're tapping into the plumbing, so that's cool. Looking pretty good down here. I think this is all pretty much the way it was. No big craziness here. Getting a lot of the wood with the first coat of treat, so it kind of going a little gray. Once that gets out in the sun, it darkens up quite a bit. There's some more, and I think that's the fascia, and then the soffit material. So that's good. Heating guys are laying out all the duct. The register locations, which is good. Got quite a bit of the plumbing roughed in. Let's go this way. I think the rest of this is pretty much what it was. So, yeah. All right. Thanks.